Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got 2 more days worth of sales on Poshmark. Let's see what I sold. All right, let's just get right into it. First thing I sold is, it's called a Belly Bandit Women's Maternity C-section undies, size large. That came out of a liquidation box for $2. $22.20 is what I earned. So I'm going to put everything on the board. So that would be $20.20. I'm going to put everything on the board minus the number that I paid for it. So it'll be total true profits. I'm giving you my earnings numbers, not the actual sold price. It sold for obviously more than $22, but then they take off all the shipping and all the fees and everything, and then I'm going to deduct what I paid for it. So the next item that I have on my list is a Career Arrow Fairfield Point wrinkle-free 18.5 shirt, $2.05. That came right out of my own closet. Well, my husband's closet, not mine. And so I get to keep the $2.05. Then the next item I have is a New With Tags Nickelodeon JoJo's Closet 2X layered skirt. And that sold for $17.60. That came out of a liquidation box for $2 as well. So $15.60 are my in-pocket profits there. At the end, I'm going to add up all of the numbers that I have and how many orders it is and give you that total for the 2 days worth of Poshmark sales. The next thing I have is a New With Tags Cat and Jack sparkling silver Annabelle shoes. $1.25 is what I earned on that. $1 out of a liquidation box. And so unfortunately on kids shoes, I don't generally make a lot of money, but I did make back my money plus 25 cents. But there are some other shoes that I've sold from that box that I got for liquidation that I've done really well on, like some of the Skechers and things. This is a hula hat. I paid $2 out of a case, a bulk case out of this. $2.05 is what I earned. And so that was my actual last one of that hat, and so I've been price reducing that one for a while and finally made my money back and made an additional 5 cents. Woohoo! Not exactly how I want to earn my money, but sometimes when it gets to the end and it's been on there for a while, it just happens. All right, here's the Ava and Viv. This came out of a huge lot palette, and so $1 is all I paid for this. $3.25 is what I earned, so $2.25 is my in-pocket profit on that Ava and Viv scoop neck t-shirt. Then I've got a really nice Joseph A. Banks Traveler's Edition extra large shirt. $6.05 is what I paid for that. That came out of my husband's closet. So $6.05 is what I get to keep. Then we're going to come back down to this side and we have a CJ Banks 1X nice 3/4 sleeve shirt. And that one sold for $1.25. That came from my mother-in-law, so I'll be paying her $1.25 because that one sold. And so she helps do some of my sharing, so she gets to sell on Poshmark. All right, this next one I have is a swimsuit cover-up. I lost my spot here, so I'm going to find it. Swimsuit cover-to-cover Urban Jungle flowy cover-up top for a bathing suit. And that one sold for $5.25 at $2 out of a liquidation box. $3.25 are my in-pocket earnings from that. Then I've got a really nice clutch purse. I've got another one still left for sale, but this one's really nice. It's a crossbody, a New Day green clutch purse. So if you like this one, you can find another one on my Poshmark store. Check the link in the description below. I earned $1.25. $1 from a liquidation box is what I paid for that. Yes, $1. So 25 cents is where I'm at for profits on that. Then I've got this really cool olive wood mother of pearl cross necklace. I have a bunch of these still left on my Poshmark store. This is a 1.5 inch in size. Very, very cute. It's made in Bethlehem from what I know. And so that I actually paid 65 cents for. $2.05 is what I earned. And so $1.40 are my profits on that little necklace. And I bought all those at the Las Vegas ASD Market Week cash and carry section. Then I've got a lingerie baby doll top, brand new, that I got from a wholesaler. My earnings were $11. I paid $2 for that, so $9 is my profits on that particular item. Then I got a really cute white top here, a Chic Crew extra small, which is surprising. I don't sell a lot of extra smalls. $2.25. This came from the Goodwill outlet where I only paid 50 cents per item when I bought clothing. They weigh things by the pound. It's Goodwill outlet, not Goodwill stores. So $2.25 is what I earned, which means $1.75 are my in-pocket profits. Then I have a Performance Aviva Comfort Stretch tank top. This is a size medium, $2.05. I got it out of a liquidation box for $1, so $1.05 are my profits. Then just a couple more things down here. We've got a CJ Banks size 2X. It's kind of a zipper jacket vest, kind of, and then $3.05 that came out of my mother-in-law's closet, so $3.05 is what I get to pay her. And then two more things left on my list. I've got a jacket, a new without tags hot edition shawl collar wrap jacket. This was $2 out of a liquidation box, $13.40. And the one thing I want you to be aware of is this is May, and I just sold a heavy winter coat. Okay, so $13.40 is what I earned. $2 taken off of that is $11.40 on a winter coat. So even off-season items you can sell really well. A new without tags Liz Claiborne City size 6X dark wash jeans is what has sold here. And $1.25 is what I earned, and $1 is what I paid. And so 25 cents. And then I just sold something in the process of doing this video, and so I'm going to read it off to you and tell you my earnings, and then I'll go find it in a minute. A new with tags Jillian and O'Malley size extra large button-up PJ shirt, which came out of a liquidation box that I had about 500 items in, which means I only paid about $1.25 for this particular item. $3.25 is what I earned, so a total of $2 of profit. So I'm going to add this up, find that last item to show you in the next segment, tell you how many orders and how much I actually sold everything for 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. All right, I found that last item. It's a Jillian and O'Malley pajama top, and I added everything up, and it comes to $81.10 for a total of 18 separate orders on Poshmark. Now, this grouping did not include a bundle, which you know are my favorites. I make more money, and so the customer gets a good discount when they bundle on my store. But $81 for 2 days worth of work. I'm excited about this. Took me about an hour to find these items, maybe a little bit less because they were easy to find. And then it'll take me about an hour to package everything. Probably took me equivalent of about an hour and a half to 2 hours to do this work. So 4 hours worth of work, $81. I'm cool with that. So hopefully it's been helpful to see what you can sell on Poshmark in the month of May. You can even sell big, heavy jackets. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. This is Heather from hookedonpickin.com. If you'd like to purchase my reseller guide, which is fully laminated 3 cards with checklists for Goodwill, eBay, and Amazon, please click the link below and you can purchase it now. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips to show you how to walk through the store and what things I look for when walking through a thrift store to buy and resell items on Amazon, eBay, and other platforms. The Amazon reseller checklist has over 6 major steps and a lot of sub-steps to look at in order to find out, is my item going to be perfect for selling and reselling on Amazon? The eBay card also has 6 major steps to walk through to make sure you're choosing the right item that will be perfect for reselling and making money on eBay. Each card is fully laminated so that it cannot be destroyed easily, and it's perfect for taking with you while you're going on your picking and finding treasure hunting for reselling. I hope this is helpful, and I hope these cards help you to focus your energy to pick the right items to resell online to grow your reseller business. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.